are you? Welcome to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In this video, I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup using Sephora micellar cleansing water. This is like supposed to be pomegranate antioxidant kind of thing. So let's remove my makeup. I'm using cotton pads like this. Take one cotton pad and just dip your sponge in it like this. One more time and it's ready. Slowly press it in. There you go. It's a lot of gunk, guys. You'll see. What I didn't like about Sephora micellar water is it's little bit irritating to the skin. I didn't like that part at all. Other than that, it's good, but it was little bit irritating to the skin. Let me throw this center. Take another pad. Be as gentle as possible. You don't want to be rough on your skin. This is it, guys. My makeup is off. Look at that. This is how I remove my makeup, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching me, guys.